What's up, everybody? Jack from Icebreaker here, back with another arena roundup for you. So this week we added a few new credentials. We added Feather Ice, Bro, Human, and QBuilder to RecBot. So that's what we're looking at right now, actually. You can see Beach MFer here, tagged at Rec, at Code and Cowboy, and Bro. And then the bot responded with success. Visit the credential to view on Icebreaker. So Beach MFer just gave Code and Cowboy the Bro credential there. And that works for, again, Feather Ice, Bro, Human, and QBuilder. Here's Feather Ice. This is basically Dan attesting about a human. And then he suspects this as a bot. So he replied with rec that user Feather Ice. Feather Ice is a way to mark who you think may be a bot. So this is our first kind of negative incentive credential interaction, which is cool. Next up, we added those credentials to non-user return. So what does that mean? This person has never, or bot has never been to Icebreaker before. They've actually never been here, right? So that's what this looks like. If you hit connect, it would send a direct message into this Farcaster account. Since Dan attested Feather Ice, we don't actually show that on the profile yet, but we will. And it does show up in the API. So the way you get to that is this URL, app.icebreaker.xyz/API v1 FID. And then this is that FID here. And you can see that it is returning Feather Ice right here. And you can see that it is referencing this cast. So you could visit that cast and see that Dan said that this FID is Feather Ice at that time. Next up, we added a little note. If you're familiar with multi-profile, Icebreaker lets you set up multiple profiles and add different loadouts to those profiles. So sometimes there's a case where you could connect with multiple and it wasn't clear. So we added this note at the top that says you already connected with this person. You can either learn more about this, which takes you out to our user guide about profiles, or you can hit view profile and this should take you, to the actual profile. So I'm logged into a different account. This is me looking at one of my alternate multi-profiles. Clicking view profile takes me to my actual account since we're already connected. So fixed that journey and made it a little more clear. Next, we spent some time finishing up lists. So I'm really excited about this. I'll give you a quick view here. So we're going to add a new button here for lists. I can multi-select all these people. Then I can hit save to list, give it a name, say who can view it. Those people are all added to the list. Tapping the lists will basically show all of your lists right here. And then if you want to edit those lists, you can hit this little pencil and it'll basically allow you to multi-select again, change the name, etc., add a nice long title, remove people, and these are all the other states. So that will be coming out over the next few weeks, hopefully. And then finally, we added Chones. I don't know exactly how to say it. It's Chones. They requested a private group. So we made that for them. Since I am not a member, I actually can't see who is in this group, but that is owned and operated by Borrow Lucid and crew. So they will be using this as an experiment for their community. If you have a community that you would like to have a basically live directory of members, let us know. We can spin that up for you. And eventually we'll make that self-serve. And then last but not least, we had a bunch of bug fixes and improvements. So that's it. We will see you next week. Thanks so much.